Start. Friends, I have great pleasure in welcoming all of you. Today, the branch of our bank is moving to a new building, and to mark the occasion, we have arranged this function. At the outset, I wish to express my thanks to the chief guest and others who have kindly accepted our invitation and are present here on this occasion. During the last few years, the deposits in our branch have gone up by many times. There has been a remarkable increase in the other transactions. Especially, we have advanced large sums of money to persons belonging to the poorer sections of the society. As a result, we had to increase the staff to look after additional work, but we did not have enough space in the building which our branch was occupying so far. Therefore, we are moving to this building which has got more space and is also located in a central part of the town. We are thankful to our regional manager who is present here. He helped us very much in getting the sanction of the head office in this regard. Now, I would like to say a few words about some new facilities that we are extending to the general public of this town. From the 1st of next month, we will provide safety locker facility in our branch. I hope that this measure will be welcomed by all the residents and especially those who are living in the colonies. We will be collecting only a small sum as rent from those who keep their jewels and other valuables in the safety lockers. Secondly, we will be opening an extension counter in the premises of the local college. This counter will start functioning from the month of June when the college will reopen after the summer vacation. We hope that it will be of great help to the students and their parents. Those who want to get forms for admission to the college can get them by paying the cost in the counter. The fees payable to the college can also be paid in this extension counter itself. The students who want to have their own saving bank accounts can also make use of this facility. We are also introducing a scheme for the benefit of the young children studying in the schools. Soon after the schools start functioning next month, we will distribute small boxes to these children through the teachers. These attractive metal boxes will have a locking arrangement. We will keep the key with us. The child can drop into the box the coins saved out of the pocket money given by the parents. After a month or so, the box should be brought to us. We will open it, count the money, and credit the amount to the child's savings bank account. With these words, I once again thank all of you and assure you that we will always welcome suggestions from the public for improving our services. Letter from South Asian Publishers, Madras to Dr. Prema Rajan, Giri Road, Salem. Madam, we are in receipt of your letter informing us that you have not received the June issue of our magazine. On checking up the matter with our circulation department, we find that there has been a change in your address very recently. As you may be aware, we do the mailing of the copies with the aid of a computer. Every time we receive an annual subscription, we feed the name and address of the subscriber into the computer. Whenever there is a change of address, it is also carried out without delay. Every month we get computer printouts on wrappers and use those wrappers for sending the copies. These arrangements is working very satisfactorily. But in your case, the wrappers were got ready just a day before we received your letter intimating the change of address. As a result, the copy intended for you was dispatched to your earlier address. Now, we understand from your letter that the copy sent by us has not been redirected from your former address. Therefore, we are sending you today another copy of the magazine. Yours faithfully. Stop.